Hello and welcome back to Faceless Security, where we explore the world of technology and cybersecurity. In this video, we'll be discussing Control Objectives for Information and Related Technology Framework-COBIT. Control Objectives for Information and Related Technology, or more commonly known as COBIT, is a framework that was developed by the Information Systems Audit and Control Association, ISACA, to provide a comprehensive framework for IT governance and management. COBIT helps organizations align their IT strategy with their business objectives, and provides a set of best practices and guidelines for managing IT processes and risks. The COBIT framework consists of 5 main components. Framework. The COBIT framework provides a high-level overview of the components, principles, and policies for IT governance and management. Process description. The process description component provides detailed descriptions of the processes and controls for managing IT risks and ensuring compliance. Control objectives. The control objectives component provides a set of objectives that organizations should aim to achieve in order to manage their IT risks effectively. Management guidelines. The Management Guidelines component provides detailed guidance on how to implement the COBIT framework in practice, including how to measure and evaluate the effectiveness of IT governance and management. Maturity Models. The Maturity Models component provides a set of models that organizations can use to assess their current IT governance and management practices, and to identify areas for improvement. COBIT provides a set of controls that are organized into 5 domains. Governance. This domain focuses on establishing and maintaining effective IT governance practices, including the development of policies, standards, and guidelines. Strategy. This domain focuses on aligning IT strategy with business objectives and ensuring that IT investments deliver value to the organization. Acquisition and implementation. This domain focuses on managing the acquisition and implementation of IT systems, including project management, requirements gathering, and testing. Delivery and support. This domain focuses on managing the delivery and support of IT services, including service level management, incident management, and problem management. Monitoring and evaluation. This domain focuses on monitoring and evaluating the effectiveness of IT governance and management practices, including the establishment of performance metrics and the use of audits and assessments. COBIT provides a comprehensive set of controls that organizations can use to manage their IT risks effectively. These controls include both preventive and detective measures, such as access controls, encryption, monitoring and logging, and incident management. By implementing these controls, organizations can reduce the risk of data breaches, system downtime, and other IT-related incidents, and ensure that their IT investments deliver value to the business. That concludes the COBIT framework overview. For additional information, click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content from Faceless Security.